Okay, today I'm very lucky for receiving a wonderful new furnace for my house and a great gift from Arby's and Lennox furnace. So I'm very happy that I received this great opportunity. It just gives me a lot of appreciation for these two companies that reached out to me, and I want to say thank you very much with all my heart. Well, the old furnace unfortunately had two main issues. The heating chamber had a crack in it, and the blower was making enormous noise. And this came out at the perfect time, the selection for me to be picked as the person receiving the furnace. The last furnace was approximately 27 years old, so I can say that it lived a reasonable life length. Now with the new furnace, of course, I don't have to worry about any issues. A brand new furnace, and it's a Lennox, the top of the line. I really appreciate that. And so I'm worry-free. Thank you so much again. So another huge plus about the new furnace is that it's going to be super efficient for consumption of gas, and so it'll cost me less for utilities. I'm very happy about that. I was surprised to see an army of people, over 16 to 17 people, showing up with lots of smiles, coffee, donuts, food. I was very impressed by this great attendance from all these volunteers, and I'm very happy about that. And it's going so well. I'm surrounded with people that are trying to do their best to put this together, and I'm very happy about that. Well, for the team especially, and for Arby's and Lennox, they got a great team. They show an enormous amount of dedication to their work. And what it says right here on this beautiful t-shirts here, and as you can see here, feel the love, which is, it has true meaning to what they put on this t-shirt, because it's coming from their heart to help out people in need. So I'm very proud, and thank you very much.